We're over here at Ben's place in Oklahoma, driving his tractor. Cut 2 big trees down. I cut all the limbs a couple of years back, and now we're just getting the rest of it out. Just an easy job. And then now I cut this one in half so he can go ahead and pick it up with the tractor. Here's the expert tractor driver. So I'm over here at my friend's place, and this is the top of the gate or entrance to his yard or house or whatever you call it. And so this came off from the post that is still in the ground, so we got about 6 foot there or so that this is going to slide into. So I'm cutting a bunch of these inserts in here to help, because I'm not that great of a welder, so I can make it as strong as I can. Cutting these at like a V to try to fill it up, but I won't weld this here because I don't want it to have that big of a gap. It's too much welding, plus I'm gonna have to weld up there, which is gonna be more. So I drilled a hole here, and I'm just gonna spot weld it inside there just to fill that up so this thing here won't move. And then I'll slide them together, align everything properly, and then weld it all the way around here. Do the same thing for that one. Put the little bar back here, and then hopefully the tractor will lift it. And then this is up in the air, maybe 15 feet up. So I'll put a bar in here too, but this one I'll have to slide it. So I'm gonna drill a couple of holes here that I can maneuver it to slide it into the other pipe. So it'll have to be flush for a while. Then I'll try to push it into the other pipe. And then I'll spot weld it in here, and then maybe even do another one here just for the top, but it should be good enough when I do this. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. It's one heavy piece of metal. So we got this to lift up high enough. It's huge. This had to be lifted 6 feet, and if we did this, it would have been 113 inches if I would have left the pipe in the other end of it. So this is going to go on top of another pipe, and so there's no way we could have lifted up that high. I mean, it would have been crazy to do it. I mean, I guess I could have, but anyway. So the easiest thing would have been is just to go ahead and put this inside the pipe. Now it's only 6 feet high, and so then once I get it over, I'm just going to move the rope over, and when I move the rope over, this pipe should just slide straight into the other pipe, and then that will give us support. And then I got another pipe up there that I just got to slide over, but it'll be this high. This is like, I mean, right now it's probably about 6 inches too high, so it lifts it high enough. That's all we care. We just use the pallet over there and with the forks, so that way it holds the whole thing up that tall.